back to another video, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be running a few errands and I'm going to take you guys along with me. But before I leave the house, y'all, I need to put my wig on. So I purchased this wig. I already washed it and stuff. I put it up in the back ponytail just to see how the knots were looking, because I did go ahead and bleach the knots. But I purchased this wig from LASTEST. This is a 12-inch. I forgot what the wig is called. I'm going to take a screenshot and put it right here. But this is the hair store I purchased it from. Funky Girl Hair Store. So, yeah, I'm about to see what this wig be about, y'all. Maya Lachey on the bonnet, y'all. Check her out. Shop Maya Lachey. I believe that's her. Shop Lachey. What is it called? Oh, I'm trying to get somebody promo. I don't even know what the hell the shop called. I think it's Shop Lachey. Shop Lachey. Check out Maya Lachey. Shop Lachey. She sells these bonnets. She also sells sunglasses, hats, purses, clothes. So y'all definitely check Maya Lachey out. And the nails, these are actually press-ons, y'all. Press-on nails. I brought these from Etsy. And the seller name was Mary with the Nails. So go ahead and check her out. Wait, let me show y'all some other nails I got. I know you're like, girl, get to the wig. Hold on. So these are the other nails I got. I forgot what this shop was called, but I'll go ahead and link it below. Press on nails. And then, if I can get the box closed. And then I'll also purchase these. So yeah, y'all, I mean, they're pretty sturdy. The glue is really good. And I'll go ahead and drop the links to all 3 nails down in my description box. But let's get into putting this wig on.
Okay, so first and foremost, this damn wig came with cowlicks, y'all. Cowlicks. I was like, what the hell? This ain't no damn normal hairline. I swear, y'all, I was so mad. But I went ahead and tweaked the wig a little bit. I pulled out some hairs in the front and also on the side and cut the lace a little further back just to have a normal hairline. AliExpress really tried it with this one, I'm not gonna lie, but it turned out perfect. Now, I don't know why I ain't cut the back of this lace before I put this wig on my head, but I noticed I over bleached the knots just a little bit. On the phone with that dang on Bridget. I know she watching this. So I'm gonna try to post more vlogs on my channel, and no worries, y'all, the cleaning motivation will still drop every Thursday. But if I do a vlog during the week, then I will post that vlog on a Monday. So yeah, my channel name is Kayla's World. So I'm trying to present to you guys what goes on in my world.
this is what the lace is currently looking like. I like it. I mean, I like it. I may have to tie it down for a little bit to lay this part down right here. Because y'all remember I had to cut out that cowlick area because it was looking crazy. So I had to cut the lace a little farther back, but it still came out good. I love it. I think I'm gonna put me some black spray right here, but yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. Hey guys, so I made it to Burlington. I didn't know what store I was going to, but we picked Burlington, and I met my sister up here, so I'm waiting for her to get out the car so we can go in here and see what they have. It is so hot out here too, y'all.
Valentina, can you like
Florida weather.
maybe sit on
That Florida weather. That Tampa, Florida weather. Hi. You're not. Girl. She ain't even gonna say hey to y'all. She rude. Now, why you ain't tell me that my hair wasn't moisturized like that? Let me put some water. Y'all, we can go in the bathroom if I put some water on my hair. Sure it is. You wanna, oh, she had to put on her lip gloss, y'all. You camera ready now? Kiki, she had to put on her lip gloss. Let's go. Oh, those are cute. When y'all shopping, this is what y'all do with y'all purse. This is what y'all do. See that? Somebody come run and try to snatch y'all purse.
Oh, and guess what? They gonna do this.
No, the hell they ain't. Cause no, they not. My niece talking about they gonna unbuckle it. No, no, no. Because they're gonna be thinking about snatching and running. So as soon as they snatch your purse, they're gonna take the whole baggie with them. So yeah, you got time to catch them and beat them. Period. $30. That looks cute. That looks cute too. Okay, Steve, madam. This is really cute. $22.99. What is your size? Let me see.
A 2 or 3. A 2.5.
Those are cute. Them the type of shoes that Junior want, but he want the real ones. Here's the shoes, y'all. What's that, a purse?
I can put it.
$14.99.
I can get it to my body.
If y'all wondering, the kids are at home with Dad right now. I did not want to bring them out. I just wanted to run out to the store and get a few things and come back home without Maya being a little brat. So, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
You said a brat?
I was talking about Maya. I found this mousse since my hair is already dry. I went ahead and put it on to try it out. Smells really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my baggie. $4.99. I know, right? Shea Moisture wig and weave. Flyaway and wrap mousse. And then the Jamaican black castor oil mousse for wrap sets and twists.
Might be good for the girls, so.
What's that?
You don't know how to do it like this.
Make it last, wash and go.
Now let me do the
It
next.
might be. How much is this one? $8.99.
No, John, you popping me up that TikTok.
I like these.
Yeah, I think
The,
I have those at home too.
I think I had the Don't Shrink.
This good, John. Oh, shit, that's good.
How much? $4.49? Yeah, that's real good. Curly kids. It's a no for me. It's a no for me. Things is ugly. I ain't gonna lie, these are cute.
Everybody.
They don't have really no cute stuff. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. That's Tutti. Maya wears a 18 month. She probably can't fit that, but it's so cute. And plus, it's hot here. What's she gonna do with that sweater? Trying to get at these. See, I like this, and it's only $8.99. But the shirts look like they're like 2 top shirts, like they'll go halfway down. I don't know. They probably won't, but she's too young for those type of shirts. So I just left Burlington. Now we head into DD's discount. Y'all know I love me some DD's discount. And I'm about to just look around. I do need some more work clothes, y'all. I'm always needing some work clothes. I can't vlog too much in here because my phone is going dead. Crazy me, I should have charged my phone before I left. I have a car charger, but it was only on the charger for about 5 minutes. I'll try to vlog just a little bit.
back in the car. DD's really didn't have too much. I mean, it had some stuff, but it was so crowded. And when the store is crowded like that, I can barely concentrate and shop. So we just decided to leave. But I did grab like some cleaning products and a few other things. I'll show you guys once I get home. But right now we're heading to Bay Crab. Bay Crab is a seafood restaurant. I'm thinking about getting a crab boil, y'all. I'm so hungry. And they have the best drinks. So that's where we heading now. And then after that, I pretty much don't have nothing to do. So I'll probably head back home. So yeah, this vlog is kind of boring, y'all. It's real boring. My life is boring, but I wanted to bring you guys along with me anyways. So, period. So I'm back home with the family. That food was bomb. Bomb. I want to show you guys what I got from the store. I didn't get much at all. Why are you dragging him? Hey, Maya. Come here, Maya. Come here. You want to say hi? Say hi. Look at your mouth. You got Cheetos around your mouth. You had a good day? You had a good day? Bye-bye. You tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tomorrow. Want to say hi? Hi. Oh, girl, you heavy. Say hi. 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 Hey. So you can peel, wash, and prepare with this inside your sink. And it was only $4.99. Hey, can you hush, please? $4.99 for that. Y'all remember that charger I brought in my last vlog? The boys already broke the charger. So I had to buy them another charger, which I think is downstairs because Samara took out the bag. But I went ahead and got this port as well. This was $4.99. And the charger I got them was also $4.99. And y'all, let me grab the other one. I ain't never seen these before. These are Fabuloso disinfectant wipes. Like, say what? And they were only $2.99. $2.99 from DD's discount. Definitely a deal. Can't wait to try these out. They smell really good. I think this one is the lemon. Yep. And then this one is the lavender. So that's it for this vlog. I want to thank you all for watching. And if you are still here, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey! Oh my God. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will see you all in the next video. These kids crazy, y'all.